Hello everyone, my name is Hong and welcome to the first of our three-part Suspension Tech Talk series. This series is brought to you by BILSTEIN, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys some tips and advice as well as why, when and how for your suspension system, as well as a more detailed look at the BILSTEIN B4. If you want to skip ahead to a specific section, I've listed all the timestamps here as well as in the description box below. Alright, let's dive right in. Let us start by getting a basic understanding of what a shock absorber actually does, why it's important to your safety and performance, and what is the best option for your needs. So, what is a suspension system for? Well, the answer is super simple. They were designed to keep your vehicle in constant contact with the road. That's their primary role. Now, even if you have ultra lightweight wheels and super sticky tires, that's not enough for grip and traction. It is the role of the suspension system to absorb up or push down depending on road conditions and your driving style to give you that traction and grip. Comfort is also an important factor for suspension system, but it's a little bit more of a byproduct than its primary role. Thankfully, technologies in this area has developed significantly over the past few decades, and brands and manufacturers such as BILSTEIN have been able to create a very well balance between performance and comfort. They do also manufacture products that pivot toward either side. In general, you can say that better performance means a little bit less comfort, vice versa. So for suspension systems and components used in race car, for example, where comfort is not exactly a priority, you get maximum performance and a little bit less comfort. But for this episode, we're looking at the BILSTEIN B4 system, which serves as an OE replacement. Now, one of the terms I often get asked to explain is OE and OEM. In a nutshell, OE means original equipment, while OEM means original equipment manufacturer. As the full name suggests, these are parts and components manufactured by the original equipment manufacturer. In contrast to aftermarket, which refers to parts and components made by companies that are not OEM. Now, one of the key strengths behind BILSTEIN is that they're one of the world's largest original equipment manufacturer for automotive suspension systems. And by being owned by ThyssenKrupp, one of the largest steel manufacturers in the world, they have a huge advantage over other companies. Furthermore, BILSTEIN produces almost all of their components for their suspension systems in-house, giving them more control over tolerances for all their products. On top of all that, they also have an aftermarket department that builds OE replacement parts, as well as upgraded performance solutions for your every need and every want. Now that sets them apart from all their competitors because they literally do everything. So, what is a BILSTEIN B4? Well, since the 1950s, BILSTEIN has been developing and producing stock original suspension systems for car manufacturers all around the world. And the B4 range is their OE replacement range. Meaning, if you own and drive a stock vehicle, and when it comes time to replace your suspension system and you want to keep your vehicle in its stock and original state, then the B4 option will be the one to take. However, within the B4 range, there are also a few subcategories available, such as the gas pressured variant and the air suspension variant. This will depend on the type of vehicle you own. For the gas pressurized variants, the systems are built with a high power reserve for maximum safety and are designed for optimum driving experience, just like when the vehicle first rolled out the showroom brand new. The air suspension variant, on the other hand, is designed primarily with maximum driving comfort in mind. Its revolutionary design provides damping, suspension, and level control in one single part, and it's available for both active and passive systems, making them the most ideal OE replacement. As I've mentioned earlier, thanks to BILSTEIN's involvement in supplying suspension systems to car manufacturers worldwide and their continued commitment to ensuring that all their products are built to the highest quality standards, you can be rest assured that your suspension system from BILSTEIN will go on day after day, mile after mile. So remember, the next time you send your vehicle in for servicing, or if you're a hands-on person, remember to check your suspension system because they are, after all, a wear and tear product, just like your brake pads, just like your tires. And if you need to have your suspension replaced, either ask the workshop about BILSTEIN products or visit the BILSTEIN website and online catalog to get the perfect product for your ride. Here at Nitro, we only recommend the best, and the best is BILSTEIN. Thank you so much for joining me. Stay tuned to the next episode. Take care. One last message before we go. If you want to score yourself one of these Bluetooth speakers from BILSTEIN, all you gotta do is share this video on Facebook, include the hashtag BILSTEIN, and make it a public post so we may find you, and we will select 3 winners at random. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and share.